Oh my god. Just woke up again. Cause my cat. My cat. I don't know if you can see him. He was howling outside. Yeah, he's nearly 17 years old. But he was howling like a child. So I came down the stairs, wondering what was wrong with him. I don't know. He was just hungry at this time in the morning. And it's temperature 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. No, I know kids are hard work. I don't have any. But you know what? Pets are even harder because they can't talk to you. They can't tell you how they feel. They can't tell you if you have any pain or anything. So when they're howling, you wonder, are they in pain? Are they hungry? Do they want some attention? There you go. He wants to go. He wants to go back inside again. Well, you can go back inside when I finish sneezing in about a few minutes. Anyway, folks, it's the 5th of December in the Netherlands, and today is the official Dutch Christmas. Yeah, the official Dutch Christmas. I'll probably add a video to this video to explain the Dutch Christmas. It's very strange. We do have the 25th of December and the 26th of December, but the Dutch don't celebrate it like the Americans do and like the English do. And like the Germans. That's why they call it the double Dutch. Because they do things their own way. But anyway, I love them anyway. I live here. And anyway, folks. I've stopped talking. No, I haven't stopped talking. I've stopped sneezing. Sorry, I'm tired. Anyway, folks, love you all. Have a great Christmas. If I don't get any videos online, because my video editor is playing up, so I'm a little bit sleepy still. And catch you all later. Bye.